In this video, we'll discuss display options and getting help answering questions as you use the software. Before we begin adding parts and nesting, it's a good idea to make sure that ProNest is set up with the correct units and precision for your operation. So on the File tab in ProNest LT, select Preferences, and on the left, select the Regional tab. On this page, you can edit display options. So with display units, ProNest can display values in either inch or imperial, that's inches, pounds, and seconds, or in metric, that uses millimeters, kilograms, and seconds. The precision option lets you specify the number of digits that should appear to the right of the decimal separator. For instance, if you're working in inches, selecting 10 thousandths or 4 decimal places is generally a good value for length precision. This makes it easy to see full measurements such as 3/16 of an inch so that it appears as 0.1875 instead of 0.188, for instance. If you're using metric units, that's millimeters, a length precision of 1 or 2 might make more sense. Note that this preference is used for display purposes only, meaning that the actual values are always maintained by ProNest even if they're not displayed to their full accuracy. Next, with material display format, that lets you customize how ProNest displays material names throughout the application. It can be formatted to use any arrangement of material name, thickness, grade, and gauge. So you can select from the drop-down list here. Just note that any of these have to be surrounded by percent signs in order to be recognized by ProNest. Okay, you can also type directly in the box here. So for instance, if I'm using grade and I want to show that first, you can just cut that and then paste it right here, and then the example on the right will show you how it will look in the application. Okay, we'll discuss materials in greater detail later on, but this is just something to keep in mind. So right now let's exit out of Preferences. I'll hit Cancel so that I don't save my changes. If at any point you get stuck while using ProNest or need more information about a topic or an area, ProNest comes with several resources that you can use to get help. So the first is the Quick Start Guide. This is just a PDF document and it's handy for learning the basics of ProNest. So that's installed right alongside the product, and there's a shortcut to the guide on your desktop, and then you can also get to it from the File and Help page right here. Next, we have the ProNest Help. The Help is a comprehensive system covering all areas of the product. You can open that here just by clicking the Help button. This can also be opened at any time in the application by pressing the F1 key on your keyboard. So let's open it now. So this is the ProNest LT Help. It's fully indexed here, so you can search through the index for any term that you want. And then the topics will show up that have that term. Also, it's fully searchable, so you can just type your item in there. Suppose you need to find out more on how to edit the cut sequence of a part. You could just search through the help here and then try to find the topic that you're looking for. Okay. So one more note about the help. It's context sensitive, which means that wherever you are in ProNest, when you do press F1, the help will open to the relevant topic. So this really comes in handy when you're editing settings or you're in a mode that you might need more information about. So wherever you are in the application, I'll just enter settings right here. And if you need some more information about some of these settings, either click the question mark up here, or you can just press F1, and then an explanation of all the different settings will show up in the help. So that's a pretty useful tool for reference. Okay. Hypertherm also has an online knowledge base for CAM software, so that's available from our website. And if you haven't done so already, we encourage you to sign up for a knowledge base account through XNet. Note that the knowledge base account for CAM requires an active maintenance plan or subscription. Okay, so the knowledge base contains access to the latest downloads for the product, what's new, release notes, training and troubleshooting information as well. And lastly, Hypertherm has a dedicated tech service department that's just for CAM software. So there's a group of tech service engineers who specialize in ProNest. If you need any help or experience any issues with the software, or you just need more training in a specific area, as long as you're enrolled in the maintenance plan or have an active subscription, just give tech support a call. You can also email or contact us through the knowledge base or the hypertherm.com website.